So here where it is, not this one, this one. So this is today's discussion. So record is started, and there is a. So here it is, something like a column. We discuss change and service request. First one is change. So what is change? What is a change? Change means what? Different scenarios. Again, I have a Windows 10. Okay, I upgrade Windows 10 Home. Okay, so I'm changing to Windows 10 Pro. Edition changing. Okay, or maybe I have some antivirus. Avera antivirus is there. So something version. Okay, I don't have Avera. McAfee. I think I don't use that kind of stuff. Very simple. Update, upgrade, also consider as a change. I update my application. Updated my application. I upgrade my application. I upgrade my operating system. I upgrade my system. For example, system upgrade, like a hardware system, hardware upgrade. For example, in an upgrade manner, I increase my RAM. So earlier I have a 4 GB. Now I added a 8 GB. I added a 8 GB. So then I become 12 GB. This is my laptop story. Okay, so it's example, increasing RAM, changing a processor, changing a CPU. For example, in my home, I have a i3 CPU is there. i3 CPU 9th generation. Okay, now I want to upgrade to i5 9th generation. So like that. Because motherboard compatibility, to upgrade, what we need, motherboard compatibility. Okay, like that, right? So we need a motherboard compatibility is required. For increasing RAM, motherboard and processor compatibilities is required. It is a not upgrade means simply we'll go and add some more things. It's not like that, right? So update and upgrade, it depends upon some other things. Understand? Depends on motherboard. I can upgrade or not. Budget, of course, depends upon motherboard and budget also. You need a money, right? So I want to upgrade i3 processor 9th generation, that to F processor. F processor means no graphic memory, so I need a graphic memory. I have to use compulsory graphic card compulsory. Now I cannot put a graphic card. It means graphic card is there, but not always we rely on a graphic card, right? So what I do, I want a i5 processor. 10th generation, 11th generation not supported. Okay, 9th generation, because there is a CPU number of pins kind of stuff is there. 1151, 1200, that kind of stuff. 1150. That's a CPU socket model is there. So compulsory, the socket must be matches. So I took an i5 9th generation, but it is i3 9th generation. What I purchased, that is around a 6,500 or 7,000. but i5 is around more than 12,000, 15,000, 18,000, right? So depends upon a model also, right? I want to go to i5. So ninth generation. Okay, so here it is different models in the, this is 5th generation, so i5 ninth generation. I will go. This is 12th generation, new 12th generation i5 12th generation. It is 27,000. Okay, this is F model. F means there is no graphics inside it. So this is the socket information. So LGA 1700. Only this type of processor only fit inside. So you have to verify that is 1700. That is i7. So I want to go with the different type of processors. See different type of processor. It is also i5 processor. Third generation 1155. So different than mine. So this is i3 processor. It's a 10th generation, not 9th generation, which is I have a different one. Okay. This is 10th generation F model. This is also F model. That's it is a cheaper cost. No graphic memory inside. No built-in graphics things. You have to take separate graphics. It is 14,000. i5 10th generation of 14%. So I will search for a i5 processor. Only i5. I don't want any other thing. So 10th generation. The 9th generation is gone completely in market or what? Yes, it is 9th generation. That too F model again. Okay. So for example, from i3 9th generation to i5, same model but little upgradation. So this is we have to search about this processor. This is the first generation 750. Third generation. So this is a 19,000. It is showing 19,000. It won't be cost like that. That much cost is not there because you can get a new generation, right? So this is the 9th generation, exact 9th generation, not F model. So it is LGA1151. Okay, you have to check it. The supported motherboard, what motherboard I purchased, you have to check that motherboard. Is it a 1151 or not? So go to the motherboard details and can you able to upgrade it or not? So like this. This is the processor I purchased it. This is the motherboard actually I purchased it. Okay, this is the processor. So LGA1151 is the processor. So this processor, it is showing this cost because it's become a little older. Okay. So when I purchased that time it is little less because 10th generation now we are getting 6,500. Okay. This is 9th generation. This is the model. Now you can go to this. What is this? This is motherboard. So here we put a processor. So you can see there is a latch here. It is you can see processor. This is a RAM slots, and this is a power SMPS ATX power connection. Okay, and other connections you can able to see. Okay, so the socket size is 1151 matches, means we can able to put this processor on this motherboard. If in case if I already having that kind of setup, so I can put this processor also. I can put this processor also because of this processor also support LGA115. So when you want to upgrade or downgrade or change or replace, compulsory verify if matches or not. So it is i5 9th generation. You can see this is LGA1151. For example, I got some new processor like a 10th generation processor is there. This is also 9th generation. So K of something is there. It is 18,000 compared to this. So you can see, yeah, it's a i5 10th generation. Okay, this is 9th generation, this is a 10th generation. So I'm going to this. This is the i5 10th generation. But you can see this socket model is a little different from there to here. So where it is a socket. So otherwise we'll take another one. It is 11th generation of all it is. So it won't support LGA. Here it is LGA like this. So this motherboard don't support this processor. Okay, so compulsory compatibility must be there. Compulsory compatibility must be there for upgradation, updation, or a replace or a change. Thing are there. Update, upgrade, or a change. Change means replace. Okay. So these three things we can consider. First, we have to keep it in our mind about change management. Okay. So updating, upgrading, and replacing. Why we replace? For upgradation purpose or for upgradation purpose or for a repairing purpose. Maybe my processor is not working. I have to replace my processor with the same type of processor. If my RAM is not working, I will remove the old RAM and replace the RAM with a new one. My hard disk is not working, so then I will replace my hard disk with a new hard disk. That is a replace. Upgrade. I have already 4 GB RAM, so then I will add more RAM, or maybe I replace the RAM with a higher capacity RAM, so then I will get a more memory. I have a processor, then I'm upgrading my processor, so I can speed up my system, but I can speed up my system, that's it. Okay, but to upgrade or a downgrade or a replace, compulsory you have to check the compatibility. To upgrade, replace, what is important? Check compatibility. Check compatibility. Okay. Before apply change. Okay. Test before apply change. Also check. Okay, you have to check another one is dependent. Dependents. Dependent means if I am upgrading my processor, maybe I can able to upgrade my RAM. Maybe I have to change my operating system. Maybe I require to change my SMPS. Okay, so it's like when you are change something or replacing, it is may having a dependency. For example, I am want to upgrade my internet. Okay, so I have a, this is also my personal experiences, 50 Mbps internet. I have a 50 Mbps internet. So I want to upgrade to 100 Mbps. So why? Okay, so this is one scenario. Okay, so this second question, second part. So one is like a RAM or a processor upgradations. This is another one, internet upgrade. So I have a 50 Mbps internet. I want to upgrade to 100 Mbps. There is a dependencies also there. So one is, so why you want to upgrade? What you will get from upgrade? More better performance, better internet speed. I will get it. So I can download the files very quickly. I can browse the things very quickly, right? So bandwidth increases. So I want to upgrade to 100 Mbps. There is a dependence. One is bill. Bill will change, right? Payment. Bill, or we can say payment. Different bill structure is there for a venture. So I have to pay the bill. Maybe there is a possible like a you have to change cable. You have to change the cable. Possible there is in a certain scenarios you have to upgrade the cable type also. Maybe not always. Okay. Compulsory router. Your Wi-Fi router. You are having a Wi-Fi router or a modem. Wi-Fi router or a modem. So sometimes modem also very important. Sometimes routers with a modem inside. Certain are completely the modem is there inside. Some are additional modem. Only router is router. Okay, only Wi-Fi access point. Act like a Wi-Fi access point only. No modem inside. Okay, but we have to buy a modem separately. But in generally Wi-Fi routers you have to change. So this is what happened to me. I have a okay, my modem, my router. So my Wi-Fi router is a N300 model. It is a model number is N300. So one day I want to I want to upgrade to 100 Mbps. So then I asked my internet guy. So I want a 100 Mbps. The guy said you need a AC model like a AC 750 or a AC 1200 like this. Okay. To upgrade from 50 Mbps because N300 support up to 50 Mbps. Okay, but to upgrade from 50 Mbps to 100 Mbps, so this is a change, right? So this is one change. It leads another change. So you have to upgrade a router to AC 750 or a AC 1200 model. I will show you how it is. Like so, you know, guys, why I like this Amazon or you know, people think you want to learn some technical stuff or a new updated technology. You have to follow the certain bloggers, tech news bloggers kind of stuff. Yeah, of course, that is also good. But most of the news bloggers or technical news columns in the newspapers, either they will tell a very far away technologies which we are not in the useful in a public market, current not available. So if you have to go to market and you want to buy something like a router or a pen drive or maybe something, is it available in the market or not? That is very important, right? So Wi-Fi is there, like a light wave data transmission is there, practically not implemented in any office. I have never seen that kind of stuff. It's only in a newspapers only. Quantum computers. It's only in the newspapers only. Okay. So blockchain, of course, it is there in the market, but still we don't know the technology by our hand, right? Lot of things, mainly like a hardware components or a computer components, that kind of stuff. What the people in the news articles really it is developed or available in the market or not, we don't know. So to
Sir,
understand our
even we can
learning,
take that.
we can.
Yeah, we can take that another example like Netflix, sir. When we have to use like 149 rupees package that is only for our mobiles, and we need to upgrade that for 199 means like we will take access for TVs and laptops also.
Again, you are asking my example only. I had taken a mobile 199. I thought I'm very intelligent, so I can cast to my mobile to my laptop. So Netflix don't know from where I'm watching. So it understand from if I watch from TV, it will understand. But from browser, from mobile phone or a
Actually, we have
application,
application. Yes, sir.
application. So I tried everything. So it is a very secured one. So I don't have a choice. So I use 199 for a 2 months. So later I cannot watch from my mobile phone. That too, I start watching a series that is Walking Dead. So then it is a big series. That to Corona time, the Corona starting period, first wave. It's very difficult in that one. So then I upgrade again to the to watch in the computer, means like a laptop. Again, I paid. Finally, I'm paying now 499 rupees. Okay, now it is also working in a TV also. Upgradation, yes, yeah, of course. Upgradation, so you have to pay amount, and also it is works like you pay 799 or 649. I think now the price 749 or something is there. You will get a 4K. Netflix plans also there, right? Choose your plan. So then if you choose the highest amount, so then you can four screens, you can watch it, and also 4K. So the if you change the package, necessity package, then depends upon, oh, it is still in a login mode and I don't require it. Okay, so that's a, yeah, very good. Upgradation change. Okay, like that. What I'm trying to show you here, I forget. Yeah,
Yeah,
AC
like
modem.
yes.
Yeah. So you can choose like this is a Tanda N301 or a N300 easy router model. White, not a modem. So cost is little less, and also you can search like how much data transmission support, antenna bandwidth support. Okay, antenna bandwidth support. It is there like that. Okay. So for example, you open this D-Link. Okay. So this is a LED status. So so my side it is like there is a power button, Wi-Fi and internet. Three LED status is also there. Also, so I said so first connection is WAN, means from outside ISP provided to our home WAN connectivity. This is LAN. If you have a desktop, you can connect with a cable, and also you can connect with a Wi-Fi also. Okay, so that is this type of model it is. So just it's a Wi-Fi router it is. Uh, if you search like how much bandwidth it will signal support is there, and there is a different type of wireless models N, B, G. Okay, this is the 802.11. 802.11 means wireless internet. So Wi-Fi wireless internet standard. This is standard. N, B, G, B, like that. So there is a few things are there. So that's the frequency, means clock speed, like frequency it is there. You have to go to description how much data speed, like internet speed it will support, whether it is 50 Mbps or 70 Mbps kind of stuff. Okay. Um, this is AC model. So I just open something like AC 1200. AC 1200. It is works in a dual channel, like a it's a two type of signals, 2.4 gigahertz, 5 gigahertz, two type of connectivity you will get it. So you connect a 2.4 gigahertz, you will get a maximum 50 Mbps. 5.5 gigahertz connection you have to make. Take a two SSIDs, you will get it. Okay, so it's a dual bandwidth or a dual signal, you will get it, right? So actually, it's not giving proper description nowadays. Okay, so you will get it, how much data transmission. See, it is a 300 Mbps data transmission, and this is a 867 Mbps data transmission. It is showing here. Okay, so it's a dual band gigabit Wi-Fi kind of stuff. Okay, it's a signal ranges are there. This is a frequency signal range, connectivity signal. This is a bandwidth support, but really it is not correct one. So it is showing like that, but that's the only connectivity. But if your internet speed is different, so compulsory ask your internet guy which model I have to use it. You can find a lesser also, the AC 1200, AC 750, AC 1900. You can see AC 1900. This is also dual. You just do some research, you will find which model support what kind of bandwidth. So this is we have in our Hyderabad. Okay, this model we purchase when we are upgrade our internet. Okay, so too much advertisement is there, and not about that one. So like that. So when I want to upgrade from 50 Mbps to 100 Mbps, so then he made to ask me to change your model also, router model also. It's a, like a, this is the point is dependent change. One change leaded to another change. Okay. One change depends on other change, or we can say one change leaded to other change. Okay. So already I told one of our trainer, technical trainer only, he worked in a real time. He got a one problem one day. So that is one of his colleague upgrade, not upgrade, update antivirus. There is an antivirus server. We are using antivirus for individual piece. I have my laptop having a some antivirus inside. You have for example, your laptop having some antivirus, right? So, but in organizations, in a company, so what they do, they use a centralized antiviruses. Okay, there is an antivirus server, scan all the systems. So what this guy done, so he updated antivirus, but not notify anyone. He didn't notify anyone. So it's a simple update. It's a updated antivirus server. So what happened? It is it lead to another updates. So he has to update other policies and all, because he updated antivirus. He has to update other server related policies or connected related policies. But what happened? He didn't done that one. No one knows that. He didn't written that once updated made. Once any updated made, any change made. Okay, document it. Okay, you have to document it. Made any changes, once any changes made, so document it, or inform in CMDB, change like a configuration management database. So it is it's a database. Put it in a database, or send to everyone. This kind of change is completed. Okay, so you have to test it before you change it. So it should not be get any problems or setbacks, rollbacks like that. Okay, make sure you can able to roll back. Okay, test before apply changes. Okay. Okay, successful, like there are a lot of change management thing are there, so you won't remember anything, but I'm trying to explain only two few points. Okay, so here it is. Again, what is the change? Change is simply an update or upgrade or replace the thing. So to update or replace, please check the compatibilities first of all. Next, check the dependent changes. You are changing something, it may changes on other changes. I told I'm changing my internet, upgrading, so then I have to change. So of course there is a bill effect is there, and as well as I have to change my modem is also there. Yeah, very good example, that is Netflix is a 199 mobile plan, and 499 plan is there, 649 plan is there, some plans are there. So depends upon which plan you are taking, that kind of service you will get it. So depends upon that, you may require to change other things or may not. Okay, upgrade and you can downgrade. And also you replace the RAM or you upgrade your RAM. So this is, I am replacing a RAM. I replace or a upgrade. Replace as well as a, this is upgrade. Okay, so RAM. So then you have to check the motherboard compatibility and budget. There is a cost. Similar to this one also. Similar to this one also. I am upgrading my RAM. So then I add a RAM, add 8 GB. So then my RAM is 4 GB. I add a 8 GB, then I will get a 12 GB RAM. Or upgrade my operating system or update my applications, kind of stuff. Okay, guys. So this is about a change. Sometimes emergency changes are there. Sometimes normal changes also there. Okay. In the changes, emergency change, normal change. So again, so what is this emergency change? Okay, what is the normal change procedure? So look at here. Emergency change means, for example, disk failed. What to do? What to do? Disk failed. Incident is occurred. Disk failed. What to do? Go replace disk. Verify working. Okay, so then do verify. Sorry. Replace the disk. Verify. Make sure it is everything working fine. Okay. Then notify or a document. What to do? So you have to notify or a document it. So this is what emergency change. Example is, if any failure is occur, or immediately you have to change. If any failure occurred, like a component failure, RAM failure, example, RAM failure, disk failure, switch, cables. So different kind of component failures are occurs. What you will do? Change immediately. Okay, change immediately. So there is no need to think much, but take change immediately. So less impact on infrastructure. infra infra. Why I'm not able to type? Okay. Less impact on infrastructure or a business. So that is a very important for an organization. So your business should not be failure, right? So that is like disk failure. Replace the disk, verify the disk, notify, and document. So that is a emergency change. Normal change. Normal change is like a you want to update or you want to do upgrade, not replacing, updating or upgradation, like infrastructure update, like infrastructure, okay, or application or servers, okay, applications or database application, email application or servers, like you want to update or upgrade those things. Okay, like in last example I told, I want to increase my RAM capacity. Okay, my server having a 16 GB RAM. I want to upgrade to 32 GB RAM. So it will speed up. So I have to what is this is a scenario. So what it is? First of all, I have to check. Okay, check compatibility. To check the compatibility and first of all I have to check the compatibility is there or not. Next budget, next component, availability. It is not available, I have to order it freshly, right? Component availability of the component. Next dependence, have to check the dependence. So if I change this one, so anything dependent is there. Okay, like maybe I have to change my processor, maybe I have to change my cabinet, or maybe I have to change my power supply, like that. So you have to check the dependencies. Okay, just an example. I taken a scenario, but remaining is important. So I have to check the compatibilities, budgets, components, dependence, test before apply changes, and permissions. Important is permissions. You have to take permissions to change. Okay, without a permission you can't change it. So there is a cab is there. So change advisory board. Change advisory board. Okay, cab. Change advisory board. What is change advisory boards? It's nothing but a user. A user can be a member of board, okay, or a technical manager, a technical experts kind of stuff, service desk people. These are all a member of change advisory board people are there. So you have to take a permission or you have to discuss with CAB. Okay, so it's a applicable change or not. This is a normal change. This is a normal change. Emergency change. If anything is issues occur, you immediately have to replace the RAM. Go and replace the RAM. You have to replace the hard disk. You want to replace the cable, or you have to replace the power card. You have to replace the power button. Okay, so this is, let us say, emergency change. If you do it, then only it will works. I want to change the cable. Network cable is not working. Lose connection. Something. Go and change the cable. Then problem will be solved. It impacts on your business. Less impact. So less problem. Right? That is a emergency change. What is normal change? For example, you have a bike. There is a tire. Lot of punctures are there. You want to change your bike seat cover. You don't mind ours, now if you don't change today, no problem. So you will change tomorrow. Okay. Or any dependence changes are there. So you have to go through that one again. Any dependence changes are there. Maybe you have to change engine oil. Okay. You may, if you don't change engine oil today, no problem. Tomorrow you can change it, no problem. It has a time. Before you change it, you have to think about how much money you have in your pocket, right? So whether your budget or your father budget, that is also different. If it is your budget, you don't spend. If it is a father's budget, no problem. Today immediately we'll change it. Okay. If it is your budget, then tomorrow also you can change it. Like, depends upon normal change. It's all about a discussion whether change applicable or not applicable. Usually like updates or upgrades in a normal changes. Replacements, emergency replacements, when failure is occurred or any issue is occurred, you're required to change something. So we need a emergency change. Okay. So these are the small things about change management. I hope you guys understand. Anybody having any doubts or any changes?
No, sir.
No? Very good. I will go to service request. Service request also, request for change is also comes here. Okay. So service request, as I given already one example, I am requesting a service. For example, I want internet connection. Want a internet connection. Service request. I want to upgrade. Same example. Okay. Internet speed. What happened to this? I want to upgrade internet speed from 50 Mbps to 100 Mbps. Okay. I want to upgrade from 50 Mbps to 100 Mbps. Service request. I want a VPN access. I want a printer access. If you are working in an organization, you can't take directly print. You have to ask your administrator.
We need to raise that ticket.
Yeah, you have to raise the ticket. The ticket is service request ticket, not incident ticket. Okay, understand, guys. Again, two things. Again, here it is: incident ticket, service request ticket. Incident means you got a problem. You are unable to send a mail. Your system is not working. You are disconnected. Okay, you are unable to access the server. Okay, you are unable to access your VPN. That is incident. You want a VPN access. That is called a service request ticket. Very good, very good. Change password. You forget your password, so you want to change the password. So then you are requesting for a change the password. See, change is there. Okay. Change of service. change of certain service. Okay, change of a service. For example, I am belongs to Pune office. So Hyderabad office people said, come to our office. When I going inside, I put my smart card and it won't work. Why? Because of I don't have any smart card. I have only ID card is there. My thumbs won't work there. Again, access permissions. I have to give access permission. So I have to request for a access permissions, office access. Okay, I'm how to ask access for a printer, how to access for a VPN access or a Wi-Fi access or a internet access. So within organization or outside of organizations, you have to put all the things together like different things, right? I have to access my canteen, then canteen access permission. Okay, like so VPN access for so service request. Information. Yeah, why I'm typing like that? So here it is. I have a definition. You say. So you can user can access like how much for a I have a 5 users are there. I want some streaming package. How much for that package? Okay, 5 users. Or maybe I have a some application is required, deployed application. I'm asking how much for that application, how much for a particular router. Like as I said, I ask information like I want to upgrade from 50 Mbps to 100 Mbps for a change. That is a change, but I am asking how much, how it is possible. Sir, you have to pay extra money. Again, I have to pay another 200 rupees or 500 rupees extra. Again, I have to upgrade my router. Okay, within a 3 days, I will get a upgradation. Otherwise, I have to request before 1 week before my next renewal. So then they will upgrade it to 100 Mbps. So with this new charge. So like that. So this is a information board. Okay, advice, standard changes. Okay, access permissions. So service request is there. Okay, so like I forget my email or email password. Okay, or maybe I want a new laptop, or maybe I want to upgrade my system. Requesting upgrade my system. Okay, access permission to database server. Database server access depends upon. So whatever it is. Okay, there like for example, there is a storage is there. Storage is there. I'm doing some working on a project. How to store the data in the particular storage, but I don't have a permission. I have to send a request. So this is my project. This required something 1 terabyte of storage space. I need a storage space. So then I request. So they will verify. They will give you a new access permission, like a or LUN will be created for you, and give it like this. This is service request. So guys, these are the main important terminologies what we discussed yesterday and today. First of all, very important is what is a service desk single point of contact. Of course, these are all things you have to adapt. Okay. Next important is these terminologies. What is an event? Any detectable occurrence. What is an event? Any detectable occurrence. Events are mainly basically three types: information, warning, and error. A incident is something is change is occur. A detectable occurrence means some change, a significant changes occurs. Okay, it can be a good like a informational type, or it is a warning. So then we have to go and take care of it. Okay, it can be an error. So then we have to fix it. Warnings and errors are very important. So then whenever any warning or a error is generated, so that is automatically it is an incident. For incident, again, I have to tell again the service desk complaints, the life cycle is there now. So that is I will tell. So next point is an alert. So first of all, event, when event is occurs, okay, either it is like a warning or a error is occur, immediately it alerts the people. So then we can take do necessary actions, right? Okay, so event is just occurs, it is in the system. Okay, incident means it is a complaint or a issue or a ticket. We can say issue is occur, so I given a complaint. So I'm not getting internet. That is an incident. I'm not getting internet. That is incident. My system is not turning on. That is an incident. Okay, I'm reporting the incident. I'm reporting an incident here. Okay, it is unplanned interruption to the IT services called a incident. So it's unplanned interruption. Meaning is my system not working, service down, server down, network down. Like these are all incidents only. So when incident is occur, immediately you have to take an action, go and fix it time. So that is we call it as a workaround. Okay, like next, problem management. So what is the problem management? Unknown root cause of this incident, one or more incident. We don't know the root cause of that incident. So we have to consider the one as a problem, find out the root cause and try to solve the problem. So if required any changes, you have to change. So then problem will be solved. Once problem is solved, you won't get incident again and again. Next, what is a change? So what is a change? Already we discussed change of the service. It can be a change of the service, or it can be a upgradations, or it can be a it can be updation, replacement. Okay, so based on that, so we'll do change management. Next, request service request is like a user may require information or access permissions or some changes in the service, advice to the user. So that is we call it as a service request. So these are the very important. Again, what is a service desk? First question. Second question is this event, alert, incident, problem, workaround, change, and service request. These are a very important things. Okay. And already I told, so I will going to tell you the few things here. So here it is. This is I created this Google site. So by inspiring one of the some interview questions posted by some person, so I inspired from there. Okay, here also you have a hardware and operating system nodes is there, but I'm first of all, this is service operation service desk. Go to service desk. So I had taken some questions related to service desk from Guru 99. In Guru 99 also you will get a lot of questions related to technologies, different technologies. Okay, so you can take it from there. So mostly when I copy from some resource, I will put their reference also like this. Okay, so it meaning is it's not belongs to me, someone posted there. Okay, so important. So how important is customer service for you? Do you really think company or organization really needs a help desk like that? So important IT skills in the service desk and how you like this. These questions are there. How to deal with the frustrated customers. Okay, these are help desk and service desk questions. Go through once. There is no loss in it. It is difference between help desk and service desk. This is one of the question. Okay, so go through once these questions. Next, once you are completed this service desk and help desk questions, under this service desk, you'll get a sub parts are there, guys. Look at here. What are the service desk levels? Next part is what is the service desk level? So what is the level 1, level 0, level 2, level 3, like that. So service desk levels. This is another important. Okay. So roles of technical support. What is a levels or a tiers? What is a tier 0? Tier 0 means self-help and a user retrieved information. It's like a basic support. So take an information, so tell them, so you can do like this kind of stuff, like a basic support. Tier 1. So tier 1 means level 1. Basic help desk resolution and service desk delivery. Like a user required to change their password. So you can change the password from the service desk. Okay. So tier 0 is about collecting information, supporting kind of stuff. But tier 1 is about to solve basic problems. Support basic customer issues such as solving usage problems, fulfilling service desk requests that need IT involvement. If no solution is available, tier 1 personnel escalate incident to higher tier. So for example, I given a complaint. My system is keep restarting. You don't know how to solve it. Or that is not your knowledge level. That is not your knowledge level. Or I am asking like, please change my email ID. So that is not your level. If I ask, please change my password, you will change it. In a tier 1, you are belongs to tier 1. I'm asking, please change my password, you will change it. I'm asking, please change my role or ID. So then you may not know about that information. What you do, you'll escalate the issue to tier 2. Or maybe there is some issues occur, like I written an examination for a Microsoft server 2012, Windows Server 2012. I've written an examination. There is a 3 exams you have to write for MCSA. First one is for 410 something is like that is there, 411, 412, like 3 exams you have to write. The first exam I've written and submitted, but there is some problem with that network and all. It is not submitted properly. I got a result. It shows the result, but final submission is not happened. Okay, it is in a question mark only. Exam is done. The result is not announced properly. I've written second paper, third paper. 2 papers are done very good way. The first one is got a problem. So we given a complaint. So the complaint went directly level 2. The level 2 person also unable to solve the problem. Then level 3 person came and finally resolved the problem. Low level technical person trying to solve unknown problems and to fulfill the service request by following script. Like he got some related information. These kind of issues you will handle. These kind of issues escalate. Okay, that's it. Okay, I'm asking deploy an application to a particular server that is not belongs to you. So what you will do? Escalate. Okay. So tier 2 means it is a level 2. Level 2 is a higher level. So level 3, level 4, that is different levels. So level 2 is maximum. I think you'll get a level 1 or level 2, not even a level 0. So you'll get a level 1. If you are technically good, you'll go to level 2 very easily. If technically weak, then you are in a level 1 only. Okay. So level 1, basic help desk resolution, help desk, service desk delivery. Okay, it's a low level technical personnel trying to solve problems and fulfill service request by following script. Like they will give you the list of the duties you do. So based on that, you have to follow that one. Level 2. Level 2 is a in-depth technical support. Experienced, knowledgeable technicians assess issues and provide solution for a problem that cannot be handled by level 1, means tier 1. If no solution is available, and escalate to track 3. Guys, does not mean, some people are very smart people are there. Issue came, they don't want to solve it. So what they will do, escalate. I got an issue. Why should I solve? I will take rest. I will go for a tea. Meanwhile, escalate. So what happened? Automatically, you are in the escalator next time. Okay. Learn the knowledge. Learn how to troubleshoot the issues. How to understand the issues. If you don't know, you can ask how to solve the issue to others, but don't escalate to others. Okay. So I like that. That's the learning is very important here. So you have to become like this, not like a escalator. Okay. Support, like you are become a, you know lift man, lift boy is there na. So lift boy will go always up and down. He never leave the lift. He lift everyone. He cannot be lift in ever like that. If you do keep escalating, you never be in a higher position, right? So that is only knowledge. Support personal with deep knowledge of product or a service. You know the full knowledge about that particular application or a product or a thing, but not necessary engineering or a program who design a create a product. So level 2 candidate don't design anything, don't change the designs, don't manipulate the things, you don't involve in any development area. Okay. So here it is a level 3 expert product and service support. You know the what is the product it is. Okay, compulsory, how it is works, what is the design model, what are the things you require. Okay. So normally any product related issues or any support not cross the level 2, because level 2 that much support to the customers. Until unless it is a running application or a deployment related issues, so then level 3 directly understand that one. So then there is a level 4. Okay, something is given. Okay, so these are the level 0, level 1, level 2, and other things also I have posted here. Just read it once, but compulsory what is level 1, level 2, level 3, what is the meaning of at least 1 or 2 sentences. Okay, 1 or 2 sentences you should know it. So here I have taken some through this link, some slide is taken. Okay, you can go through once about a service test, and already I posted this is a PDF you can download, I think. So this is for what is level 1, level 2, level 3 support it is. Okay guys, again service desk. What is service desk? Service desk levels. Next, this is some basic troubleshooting related questions. Networking related, hardware related, remote desktop related, and there is a SOP. I will explain SOP separately, but look at here, there is some questions. Go through once. If you understand, good. If you don't understand, it's okay. Okay, there is nothing to not understanding type. Okay. If you what is the ping, what is default gateway, kind of stuff. Just if you even you don't understand, it is not a big deal. Why? Because it is, if you read once, you will get to connect to certain words, sentences inside. Next time you are here or next time you are reading it, so there's more connection. So then you will habitually you are involved in the subject. Okay. So here in a hardware, so there is a what is a BIOS. Okay, some few points I added here. What are the computer components? Okay, what is RAM and ROM, and few things. What is a BSOD? What is a ping? What is a lights and modem, RAM? I taken some information and added here. So if go through once, okay, it's not a big deal. But important one is what is a service desk? What is a service desk level? The SOP I will explain separately. That's already there. Next one is service operation. ITIL service operation. Under ITIL service operation, only incident management is there. So okay, this is service operations. I have taken from tutorial points. Some points I have taken and put it here. What is service operations? What is event management, incident, request, access, follow? So what is the service desk? Technical management, IT operations, and application management. Okay, what different type of service desk? Okay, like this. And this is ITL full set life cycle. ITL full set life cycle. Okay, so service strategy, service design, service transition, service operation, and continual service improvement. These are the 5 life cycles, and these are internal life cycles. Okay, so this is about this service operations. This picture is belongs to me only because I have screenshotted from when I learning about ITL. Okay. When I took the course, E course is there from ITL organization. This is incident management because incident management is very important than other management kind of stuff. Okay, so what is the incident management? How to detect, logs, classifications, diagnosis of incident, resolve incident, close, review, successful incident management, factors and tips. So this is purely about incident management from BMC. Okay, so first go through those kind of stuff, which is very helpful. And this is a PC hardware notes. Okay, last time when I taken a class, okay, so this is a hardware notes, like basics only. So when I create a PPTs and put it in a Google Drive, so you can access directly. That is the second, but I will share these links. So what is the service desk? And why it is taking a lot of time? Next, service desk labels. Yeah, well, this is like I am logging with my account, right? So that's why it is having a problem. That's why. This is service operations. So these are basic things. Okay. Now it is 6 o'clock. So compulsory, guys, go to what is the service operations. The service desk questions. Second one is labels, service desk labels, and yeah, 3 things: service operations, service desk questions, service desk labels. These 3 things, links I shared, go through once. Okay, compulsory, check it. Compulsory check it. If you don't get it, no problem at all. Okay, so first of all, I don't know what it is. People will start with that one, so don't think like that. You will understand. Already I explained, so go through once. Get us some points and keep it one side. It is very easy to answer at the time of interview. Okay, you can search if you required anything. incident management process is there, like how you communicate with things. And ITL, what is ITL and what is the ITL? There is a 5 life cycles in a ITL is there. Okay, so take a small break. First of all, I want to check how many are there. Only 5 members. I don't know. So this is what is ITL and 5 life cycles. So out of 10, only 5 members are there. What to do? Okay. Take it today off, and I will forward one video link which is related to ITL basic introduction. I will try. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is ITL? Any small video is there? I will forward and verify. Okay. Or if you want explain now, also I can explain.
Sir, when was the test, sir?
Which test?
Version test.
Version test will be decided by, or any test, or any test will inform by Ravan sir only.
Okay,
I think
sir.
you have at least some time is there, because when you see sir is keep putting these things now, you have to do it, and there is some assignments.
Yeah, yes, sir.
So he will check your level, based on that he will conduct.
Okay, sir.
But there is very less time, means whatever he given a assignment daily, so you have to do it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Because